Alright guys, I'm here today reviewing this drone slash camera hard case. It's actually for your DSLR, but it works perfectly fine for your drones as well, as I'm gonna show you in a little bit. So very sturdy bag, waterproof as well. I think you can toss this around without having to worry about your electronics inside. It's built for DSLR camera, so it's how am I supposed to say this? It's gonna give you protection for your drone. There is maximal protection for your drone because camera is more fragile than drones, right? You can drop drones, even crash them a couple of times, still be okay. But your DSLR lenses are much more delicate than them. So yeah, if it works for camera, it should work for drones. So it comes with the soft bag, this one. So this fits perfectly inside this, as you can see. There you go. Snug and nice. Right. And there's a little bit of vent over here, so say you've kept this for a long time and it has developed a vacuum inside, because this is a waterproof bag, so there's a rubber seal surrounding the lid, so it'll depending on where you store this case, I might develop a vacuum inside, and it's pretty hard to open if you have it. And you can use this neat little button over here and unscrew it. It says purge over here, not the movie, but basically what it does is it'll let air out, so it's easier for you guys to open the case there. This, so let me show you what's inside the my Indonesian Tourette syndrome pop up. What's inside the soft case. So currently I'm using this to house my JJRC X16 drone, the very beat up drone. If you want to know what happened, I'll tell you all about it in this video right here. Boop. So yeah, go check that out, and you'll find out what happened to this drone. Still can fly though, as you can see from that video. So yeah, basically it comes with the soft foam to compartmentalize your devices in this bag. But so this is my JJRC X19 Pro drone, right? It's slightly smaller in dimension, as you can see. Let me show you this drone. To open with one hand. Yep, so this is my JJRC X19 Pro, and I was very happy to find out that it fits perfectly inside this as well. So you can store so many drones and whatever you can fit into this case. And yep, the best thing about it is waterproof, and it comes with a sling also, so you can carry it on your shoulder. But yeah, pretty simple, very sturdy case, very highly recommended. And it costs only a little over $30, so it's really worth your money. Oh, there's a place over here where you can put in your name and details in case the bag got lost. And yeah, this thing comes off when you open the lid, so yeah, it's there for the purpose of just strapping things and things that you need around you need to have around your devices, so they don't go separately. Yeah, very recommended. Again, this is the EIRMAI, and I think this is the R101 model. They have a couple of models like the R201 or something like that, slightly bigger than this, but this one works perfectly well. Oh yeah, there are two holes over here which you can use to install locks, padlocks. So if you want to bring this drone for a trip and you need to check this drone into your baggage, no need to worry, you can lock them up and you don't have to worry about people tampering and opening up the case to steal what's inside. All right, that's it for the review.